G'day, Tony from Bones Birds. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've just chucked in some green seed heads for the birds. I'm just about to do some poisoning around the garden. We've had a lot of rain, so a lot of weeds have come up, and there's just some weed seed heads which the birds like. This is in Holding Aviary number 7. A lot of these are young ones, some are ones that I've bought, so they'll just stay in here now until I pick out the ones I want to breed with for next year. Bits and pieces of everything. Lots of the parsons down there. There's some nice birds in amongst them. So I should have some nice ones to breed with for the next season. Do a bit more work with Goulians next year. Especially that little yellow on the left there. Nice looking cockbird. Some nice young sea green pieds in there too. Some of them are starting to get a bit of colour. You see one over there, another branch. It's getting a bit of pied, and there's another one right down the front there. There's a tap fitting. They only come out the nest with a couple of yellow feathers. There's two there together now. And then it was only a matter of probably 2 months or so, and then all the yellow feathers came out, so pretty happy with that. Good for breeding next year. And that white-breasted black-headed Goulian there, they come out of what was supposed to be a pair of normals. But unfortunately they're not, so they're going to get moved out of the breeding. And I'm going to get a male white-breasted to put with her, but I'll put them in a different aviary, of course. You can see some of those cream parsons there have got some really nice chocolate colouring to them. That's the colour I'm going for, with a real dark bib and a dark trouser stripe. I'm trying to breed more and more of those rather than the one on the right, the paler ones. I like the ones with a real dark bib and trouser stripe. I reckon in the back they got like a brownish sort of wash to them. I think they look really nice like that. Some very stunning birds in there, I think, very nice looking. I think that yellow cockbird is a pearler. I've lined up an orange headed cockbird for that hen there as well, from my mate Matt. And I'll get in next year and then put them in an aviary on their own. Well, no other Goulians anyway. Putting chicks on sticks, thanks for looking.